The production journey begins with autonomous transport trucks, delivering essential ingredients to the facility.
With the clamps secured, the integration of Unit 734 is now irreversible. Each vehicle carries temperature-controlled containers filled with flour, tomatoes, cheese, oil, and other components.
Required for pizza manufacturing.
Upon arrival, robotic unloading systems transfer the materials. With unerring precision, the components are introduced into the factory's circulatory system. And directly into the factory's automated storage units. The process begins with high-quality flour, purified water, yeast, and oil. Delivered into stainless steel mixing systems. Automated sensors measure each ingredient precisely.
To ensure the dough meets strict quality standards.
Industrial mixers knead the dough to a uniform texture. The dough is then transferred. To automated rollers that portion. Flatten and shape each pizza base with exact dimensions. In the sauce station, perfection is law, a simple, unwavering mandate. Dispensing nozzles apply a consistent layer. Flow control systems maintain uniform coverage.
An anomaly, a variable outside the parameters. The system attempts to self-correct, to force order onto chaos.
Precision topping dispensers distribute cheese, vegetables, and proteins. Vision sensors verify placement and ensure the correct amount of ingredients.
The protagonist, in its raw state, sits at point A. It is now committed to the transformative process of the oven.
From inert potential to realized form, the transformation begins. The conveyor carries the subject towards the crucible. The topped pizzas enter a temperature-controlled conveyor oven. Heat is evenly distributed. Baking the crust to the exact texture required. The
climax of the transformation complete, the pizza emerges triumphant, a picture of perfection achieved through precise heat.
For quality and consistency.
Having achieved its final form, the pizza is carefully extracted by the automated system.
Fresh from the flames, it carried its one imperfection onto the cold steel. The judgment was coming.
High-resolution scanners inspect color, topping distribution. And structural integrity to ensure each unit meets factory standards. Robotic cutting modules slice each pizza into uniform portions. The pizzas are then transferred to automated packaging conveyors, where sealing arms enclose them in airtight, temperature-controlled containers without any human involvement. The packaged pizzas are transferred to robotic storage units. Each order is identified by barcode.
System error.
routed to the dispatch area using an automated sorting system.
In the final stage, the autonomous delivery robot begins its route. The insulated compartment securely carries the packaged pizza.
The robot navigates smoothly along the roadway.
Guided by sensors, mapping systems, and lane tracking technology.
It moves steadily toward the customer's home.
Without human assistance.
At the final stage, autonomous delivery robots arrive at the customer's home.
Using precise location data, the robot positions itself at the doorstep.
Delivery complete. Please retrieve your package.
The insulated compartment opens automatically, presenting the packaged pizza for pickup.
The robot then returns to the distribution hub.
Completing a fully contactless and fully automated delivery cycle.